A satellite image from China has sent ripples through global defense and intelligence circles. The imagery from 14th of May 2025, reviewed by the War Zone, a US-based defense and military affairs publication, revealed a mysterious stealth aircraft at a Chinese test facility in Xinjiang, eerily similar in design to the American B-2 Spirit bomber. And behind this development may lie the betrayal of one man, Naushir Gowadia, an Indian-born engineer who once held top-secret US military designs in his hands. Born in Mumbai, Gowadia moved to the US and became a top propulsion and stealth expert at Northrop, the firm behind the B-2 bomber. He played a key role in developing the systems that made the bomber nearly invisible to radar and infrared detection. In 1986, he left Northrop and launched his own consultancy. But by the early 2000s, his legacy would take a dark turn. Between 2003 and 2004, Gowadia traveled to China several times. According to US investigators, he passed on highly classified information, especially on infrared suppression systems crucial for stealth aircraft and cruise missiles. In 2005, the FBI raided his luxury home in Maui, Hawaii. Inside, they found hundreds of classified documents. Gowadia was arrested, tried, and convicted under the Espionage Act and the Arms Export Control Act. He later confessed in writing, "On reflection, what I did was wrong to help the PRC, which is People's Republic of China, make a cruise missile. What I did was espionage and treason." In 2011, he was sentenced to 32 years in prison. US authorities said Gowadia received at least $110,000 for his work, paid through offshore accounts. He even gave presentations to Chinese military officials, explaining how to make engines invisible to radar. His actions may have set the stage for what China unveiled, or rather, what satellites captured decades later. Stay tuned for more on defense, geopolitics, and national security.